Welcome to my channel FH Review, Learn Spoken English with me. Today, I am going to teach you very important topic of English grammar, which is very important for speaking English. So stay with me and learn the basic concept of speaking English. It will surely help you to learn how to speak English fluently. So today's topic is past tense. Past indefinite tense. Identification, when a sentence contains ta tha, ti thi, te the, at the end of the verb called past indefinite tense. Identification in Hindi, जब किसी वाक्य में क्रिया के अंत में ता था, ती थी, ते थे या ये यी होता है तो उसे past indefinite tense कहा जाता है. Structure 1, subject plus V2 plus object. Structure 2, did plus subject plus V2 plus object. Structure 3, subject plus did plus not plus V2 plus object. Structure 4, did plus subject plus not plus V2 plus object. Note, V2 refers to verb second form. Example, V2 went. Example of past indefinite tense. Question 1, Radha ने गाना गाया. Radha sang a song. Did Radha sing a song? Radha did not sing a song. Did Radha not sing a song? Question 2, पुलिस ने चोर को पकड़ा. Police caught the thief. Did police catch the thief? Police did not catch the thief. Did police not catch the thief? Question 3, वह हर रोज बाजार जाता था. He went to market every day. Did he go to market every day? He did not go to market every day. Did he not go to market every day? Question 4, पिताजी ऑफिस गए. The father went to the office. Did the father went to the office? The father did not went to the office. Did the father not went to the office? Exercise for past indefinite tense. Question 1, मैं रोज शाम को खेलता था. Question 2, मैंने अपना होमवर्क कर लिया. Question 3, वो पानी में कूद गया. Question 4, उसकी कार कीचड़ में फंस गई. Question 5, सीमा ने कल अपनी ट्यूशन फीस जमा करा दी. Question 6, वह अपनी पत्नी का नाम भी भूल गया. Question 7, कल रात में गहरी नींद सोया. Question 8, उसने मेरी तारीफ की. Question 9, वो मुझ पर हंसा. Question 10, कल वर्षा हुई थी. Note, make these questions in all 4 forms and practice it, speaking in front of the mirror. It will develop confidence in you. Past continuous tense. Identification, when a sentence contains raha tha, rahe the, rahi thi, at the end of the verb called past continuous tense. Identification in Hindi, past continuous tense में किसी काम का जारी रहना भूतकाल में पाया जाता है. इस टेंस के वाक्य का अंत रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे जैसे शब्दों से होता है. Structure 1, subject plus was, verb plus V4 plus object. Structure 2, was, verb plus subject plus V4 plus object. Structure 3, subject plus was, verb plus not plus V4 plus object. Structure 4, was, verb plus subject plus not plus V4 plus object. Note, V4 refers to verb fourth form. Example, V4 going. Example of past continuous tense. Question 1, वो काम कर रही थी. She was working. Was she working? She was not working. Was she not working? Question 2, वो विद्यालय जा रही थी. She was going to school. Was she going to school? She was not going to school. Was she not going to school? Question 3, वे क्रिकेट खेल रहे थे. They were playing cricket. Were they playing cricket? They were not playing cricket. Were they playing cricket? Question 4, मैं आपका इंतजार कर रहा था. I was waiting for you. Was I waiting for you? I was not waiting for you. Was I not waiting for you? Exercise for past continuous tense. Question 1, सिपाही चोर को पकड़ रहा था. Question 2, लड़के नदी में स्नान कर रहे थे. Question 3, एक लड़की टोकरियां बेच रही थी. Question 4, मैं छत पर पतंग उड़ा रहा था. Question 5, वो ये काम कर रहे थे. Question 6, मुझे स्कूल के लिए देर हो रही थी. Question 7, हम सिनेमा हॉल में फिल्म देख रहे थे. Question 8, वो मैदान में हॉकी खेल रहे थे. Question 9, मेरी माँ खाना बना रही थी. Question 10, मैं अपना पाठ याद कर रहा था. Note, make these questions in all 4 forms and practice it, speaking in front of the mirror. It will develop confidence in you. Past perfect tense. Identification, when a sentence contains चुका था, चुकी थी, चुके थे अथवा या था, ए थे, ई थी at the end of the verb called past perfect tense. आइडेंटिफिकेशन इन हिंदी, जो घटना या कार्य पास्ट में शुरू होकर खत्म हो चुका होता है उसके लिए पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस का प्रयोग किया जाता है। पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस के वाक्यों का अंत चुका था, चुकी थी, चुके थे जैसे शब्दों से होता है। स्ट्रक्चर 1, सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैड प्लस V3 प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट। स्ट्रक्चर 2, हैड प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस नॉट प्लस V3 प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट। स्ट्रक्चर 3, सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैड प्लस नॉट प्लस V3 प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट। स्ट्रक्चर 4, had plus subject plus not plus V3 plus object. Note, V3 refers to verb third form. Example, V3 gone. Example of past perfect tense. Question 1, मैं अपना गृह कार्य कर चुका था। I had done my homework. Had I done my homework? I had not done my homework. Had I not done my homework? Question 2, वे मेला देखने गए हुए थे। They had gone to see the fair. Had they gone to see the fair? They had not gone to see the fair. Had they not gone to see the fair? Question 3, हम फिल्म देख चुके थे। We had watched the movie. Had we watched the movie? We had not watched the movie. Had we not watched the movie? Question 4, पुलिस ने चोर को पकड़ लिया था। Police had caught the thief. Had police caught the thief? Police had not caught the thief. Had police not caught the thief? Exercise for past perfect tense. Question 1, वो स्कूल जा चुका था। Question 2, मैं पुस्तक पढ़ चुका था। Question 3, वो सड़क पर दौड़ चुका था। Question 4, उसने अखबार फेंक दिया था। Question 5, राजू ने ऑनलाइन स्मार्ट वॉच खरीद ली था। Question 6, माता जी खाना बना चुकी था। Question 7, राधा ने डांस किया था। Question 8, वो लड़का साइकिल चलाना सीख चुका था। Question 9, मैंने अपना कार्य समाप्त कर लिया था। Question 10, तुमने मुझे दंडित किया था। Note, make these questions in all 4 forms and practice it, speaking in front of the mirror. It will develop confidence in you. Past perfect continuous tense. Identification, when a sentence contains ta raha tha, te rahe the, ti rahi thi, at the end of the verb called past continuous tense. आइडेंटिफिकेशन इन हिंदी, जो घटना पास्ट में घटित हुई है और वर्तमान में भी जारी है, ऐसी स्थिति को दर्शाने के लिए पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस प्रयोग किया जाता है। पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस के वाक्यों का अंत ते रहे थे, ता रहा था, ती रही थी जैसे शब्दों से होता है। स्ट्रक्चर 1, सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैड प्लस बिन प्लस V4 प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस सिंस ऑब्लिक फॉर प्लस टाइम। स्ट्रक्चर 2, हैड प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस नॉट प्लस बिन प्लस V4 प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस सिंस ऑब्लिक फॉर प्लस टाइम। Structure 3, subject plus had plus not plus been plus V4 plus object plus since oblique for plus time. Structure 4, had plus subject plus not plus been plus V4 plus object plus since oblique for plus time. Note, V4 refers to verb fourth form. Example, V4 going. Example of past perfect continuous tense. Question 1, Sita सुबह से मधुर गीत गा रही थी। Sita had been singing sweet song since morning. Had Sita been singing sweet song since morning? Sita had not been singing sweet song since morning. Had Sita not been singing sweet song since morning? Question 2, लड़के 2 घंटे नदी में स्नान कर रहे थे। Boys had been bathing in the river for 2 hours. Had boys been bathing in the river for 2 hours? Boys had not been bathing in the river for 2 hours. Had boys not been bathing in the river for 2 hours? Question 3, वह कई महीनों से हवाई जहाज उड़ा रहा था। He had been flying an aeroplane for months. Had he been flying an aeroplane for months? He had not been flying an aeroplane for months. Had he not been flying an aeroplane for months? Question 4, वो सुबह से बच्चों को मार रही थी। She had been beating her child since morning. Had she been beating her child since morning? She had not been beating her child since morning. Had she not been beating her child since morning? Exercise for past perfect continuous tense. Question 1, वे शाम से मरीजों का इलाज कर रहे थे। Question 2, एक लड़की परसों से टोकरियां बेच रही थी। Question 3, मैं सुबह से छत पर पतंग उड़ा रहा था। Question 4, वो 2 दिन से पढ़ाई कर रहा था। Question 5, वे मैदान में शाम से हॉकी खेल रहे थे। Question 6, हम सुबह से फिल्म देख रहे थे। Question 7, मैं 5 घंटों से साइकिल चला रहा था। Question 8, डांस शो 3 घंटे से चल रहा था। Question 9, वो बचपन से पेंटिंग कर रहा था। Question 10, मैं रविवार से आम खा रहा था। Note, make these questions in all 4 forms and practice it, speaking in front of the mirror. It will develop confidence in you. We use for and since to say how long something has been happening. Use of for. We use for plus a period of time. Example: we've been waiting for 2 hours. Some more example to better understand to use of since. For 2 hours. For 20 minutes. For 5 days. For a long time. For 6 months. For 50 years. For a week. For ages. For years. Use of since. We use since plus the start of a period. Example: we've been waiting since 8 o'clock. Some more example to better understand to use of for. Since 8 o'clock. Since Monday. Since the 12th of May. Since April. Since 2001. Since Christmas. Since lunchtime. Since we arrived. Since I got up. Thanks for watching this valuable video. Next chapter of this video will come soon. Next chapter I will cover future tense. So stay connected to my channel. Like and subscribe. See you in next video. Take care.